Hello, Covain community. I'm going to teach you how to make this lip mixture that is going to plump your lips. So in a previous video, I told you the first step to plumping your lips would be to scrub them so you don't have any peeling skin and it's very smooth. And that's the first step, okay? And always drink a lot of water and always use a lot of lip oil or chapstick, things like that are going to really moisturize your lips. But to boost it a little bit, I'm going to teach you how to make this mixture. So you're going to need some coconut oil or olive oil, either works. You're going to take some cayenne pepper, some cinnamon, and peppermint oil. So this is quite the combo. Don't get it in your eyes. It will not feel so hot. So first we're going to put about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of coconut oil or olive oil, whatever you choose to pick. And then cayenne pepper is very strong, as you know, so I'm just going to do 2 shakes. So it's about like that. And about 2 shakes of cinnamon. 2 shakes. And then 5 drops of the peppermint oil. Peppermint oil, I bought it at the vitamin shop, but you can get this at any natural food place such as Whole Foods or any small mom and pops or online. Everything else you can get at the grocery store. Okay. So we're gonna mix this up, and then because this is a little spicy and I don't want this to get in my eyes and I don't want this to get into your eyes when you make this, I brought some Q-tips from the bathroom. So this kind of looks like some kind of baby food, but it smells very spicy. The peppermint oil is the strongest out of this mix, it seems. So you're going to keep this on for 10 minutes, okay? It's going to tingle a little bit. Now, if you have open cuts on your lip, I don't suggest you using this, okay, until it heals, okay? Use triple antibiotic or coconut oil until it heals. So after we put this on, I've never tried this before, so I'm hoping I use the right amount so it doesn't burn my lips too much. So in 10 minutes, I'll be back, guys. Look out. Hopefully I'm not too red. Hey guys, so I'm back, and my lips are tingling, but it's not crazy tingling. I definitely could have put a few more shakes in of cayenne pepper, but I like spicy. It was making my lips a little redder, and underneath some of the oil and the mixture was falling onto my chin, so my skin got a little red because I have sensitive skin, so, but it doesn't hurt like crazy or anything like that. It's just a little irritated. So basically, after 10 minutes, you're going to take a cloth with warm water and just wipe it off. And you're going to apply some aloe vera to soothe it, or you could put any oil, coconut oil or whatnot. And I definitely have used lip plumpers that tingle just as much. So you can definitely tell it's a little bit plumper. So I definitely like this. It makes you feel alive with this cayenne pepper mixture. So comment below, try it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and post it to your friends. Love you, Covain community.